today. We're going to be making the Cummins symbol. All right, customize and decals. We're just going to put it right on the hood. We're going to go to shapes. Grab yourself a circle. Now, grab yourself a square. Size it down to the circle. Beautiful. Okay. Now we're going to get a smaller circle. So back over here. We're going to make this the color of the truck. Shrink that down. However big. This is, if you can kind of see it already, the C. We're building the C up. That looks good enough. All right, now go to stripes, grab this thick line, make it actually the body color. Get that off. Big. Okay. And then this, make the size of the little circle that you put in there. Right now it looks pretty gross. I might need to change this up a little bit. What is the level? Just make it smaller. Get it in the middle the best as possible. Okay. Now I'm going to move my circle. Right there. If I can get it there. Wow, that took a good amount of time. Now I want to end forward. Go back to this. Right there. Okay. Now you can see our like C. It looks like a C. Now we're going to duplicate this. Yes, I'll just grab that. Okay. Duplicate it. Now we're going to rotate it and we're going to hide some of that C. So I want my C to go almost like that. Do I want it right there? Yeah, I think that's where I want it. Yep. All right, now you're gonna go add some text. I like to use the first font. I think it looks the best. And then add text. Oh man, jeez. What if it's... Oh, but, oh my word, that's weird. Okay. And then you just put it like right there on your C. There's some spots it does look bad, but you tried your best. Cummins. Just like that. You got a Cummins symbol on your truck. Alright. That's gonna be the end of the video. Peace out.